why it is easy. Believe me, if you look at the genesis, okay, who invented the Python language? Guido van Rossum. I started working with Python when it was first beta release was released. I mean, it's more than 20 years, almost, okay? And you know why he did that? There was this problem. He was working with the university, and they had this bioinformatics department. And these people were writing, biostatistics-based code, okay, written in, say, C or C++ or maybe Fortran and stuff like that. And so what happened was, bioinformatics people are primarily biologists. They don't know programming. So it used to be a big, difficult task to get any sort of calculations done, okay? This story never comes up to you. In fact, most of the people even don't know why Python is like this, okay? So it was primarily meant to make or learn programming easy for a biologist who has no background in computer science, right? That's why it's so easy. That's why, so the whole design purpose was to make it easy for anybody to learn and utilize that language. Otherwise, you know what will happen? Biologist is doing the experiment, and you will need a programmer or computer science background. So now what happens? You have a team. You need to do bioinformatics, but now you have a team of 2 people, a biologist who does not understand computer science, a programmer who does not understand biology. It's a very, kind of a very heterogeneous mix and match, which is very difficult to work with. People have worked. It's not like it's impossible, but it makes the task of writing and developing code and doing calculations and bioinformatics-based stuff pretty difficult. Okay, so that's the reason. Now, if you look at Rust, Rust was designed to be a systems programming language, just like C and C++. There are so many concepts in C and C++ which are a little difficult compared to others. And so the reason behind that is that systems programming needs such features. So similar is the case of Rust. Okay? It has been designed from ground up. And what it has tried to achieve is, sort of give you the best what C and C++ can do, but at the same time, try to reduce the amount of issues you have with C and C++, like manual memory management, stuff like that. Okay? So it is a very different programming language. It's a very different programming language. It's not difficult, it's different. And some of the things that you already know from traditional programming, you'll have to unlearn it when you're using Rust. And I'm going to show you here, okay? So again, remember, it is not difficult. Practice makes you perfect. Obviously, you'll have to write more code, right? Okay, so let's start up, okay? Set my laptop up. Guys, as I mentioned, copy the virtual machine from this. Again, a zip file. Don't extract it on the pen drive, okay? Copy this zip file and then pass it on to the next person, okay? In VirtualBox, go there and remove the existing, polka.dev VM that you have, okay? And then add the one which is extracted from, right? But again, remember, this is not Ubuntu, this is a Fedora 37 distribution, okay? And remember, you have to return the pen drives. So what you can do is, by lunchtime or so, I think all of you would have got the VMs ready. Then you can start practicing Rust on Linux also. So for now, you can do it in Windows, right? Anyone who has not done Rust setup in Windows? So, why you did not do that? Anyway, so you can go to the Discord channel. We have a PPT containing the installation instructions. Okay. So go to the slide where it tells you about the Rust installation on Windows. Please do that, and you can start working with that. Okay. Guys, please install Visual Studio Code if you have not done it as the editor. Of course, Notepad will also do, but you know that nobody uses it. It's probably the worst program Microsoft has ever come up. Right? Nobody likes Notepad at all. Okay, so Visual Studio Code, how many of you have it? Oh, that's good, that's good, that's fantastic. Okay, right.